Surrendered. You don't sell or buy any of the animals. Pravi's basic aim is to meet the people, especially kids, with the nature who are sanctuary and domestic life. The animals which you see are everybody require animals for their healthy and holistic development. When you learn about the animals, you take an initiative to conserve them. When you conserve them, ultimately you are conserving the environment. It's high time we all have to conserve the nature. Do what you want, but avoid using the animals when you apply and touch them. Do not approach any of the animals by yourself. Educators like me will be in and around. In each section, they will be helping you to interact with the animals in a very right manner. Be it petting, be it feeding, be it saying to hi to some of the animals from a distance as well. We have 6 sections. In each and every section, educator like me will be helping you to interact with the animals. We also have our cafeteria, merchandise and meeting area. You can explore them at the The tour will end up to 1.5 to 2 hours. Now, we're going to be meeting very small animals here, basically the rodents. What
Body. He has a white back and a brown head. Like they are wearing a hoodie. That's why the name. And these guys, they come from Japan. Okay? They are omnivorous in diet, social animals as well. And these are highly intelligent species of rodents. Intelligent because
Looks like they are shivering, but it's not. Can I take it? Belong to the rodent family. This is something called as guinea pig. Exactly. The guinea pig. These guinea pigs are native to grasslands of South America. These are purely herbivorous in diet. They mainly feed on the grass. Now, I want all of you to raise your hands. Sorry. Raise your hand. Put your hand behind. Like all of us, they don't have tail. These are tailless rodents. Okay. These are tailless rodents. Also, they can sleep with their eyes open as well. Like you do it in an office, in a classroom, sleep with their eyes open, and they can rarely blink the eyes as well. We have these guinea pigs up for adoption. If you are interested, you can adopt them, take them home, keep it as a pet. For further details, you can contact the counter. Now, we cannot hold it in the hand. I'll be placing it on your lap. Avoid touching the head or the ears. You can only pet the body.
And it is so many people, it's not getting scared.
How many eyes do you all have? Two, sure? You have three? Somebody has three, okay. Like you, they have three eyes. The third eye is right on top of the head, which is called as parietal eye. It's a photosensory organ. Not an eye, it's a photosensory organ which can detect the shadow. His name is Ivan. He is around 14 years old. He can live up to 15 to 20 years in average. Okay, he is the eldest among all the iguanas we have. You can interact with them. You can only touch the sides of the body. Avoid touching the head, legs, and the tail. We'll be placing the iguana right outside on the log. You can all pet them. Please make sure you're in the line to interact with the iguana. Okay, and also this is the end of the session. Thank you. Have a nice day. With gobi. You can touch like this, ma'am. Please, one by one, come forward. So please come from the back. Iguana, sir. Green iguana.
Mama.
smaller body, small neck, small beak inside. But these have bigger body and long neck and hump on them. My question is, can they fly? Can they fly? Why they can't fly? Because these are also birds, right? Super. Because of their body weight, that's why they can't fly. Right? And you know what is baby duck called? Duckling. Baby duck called as duckling. Have you seen before ducks swimming inside the water? They won't getting wet, right? Do you know why? Sorry? Because they have oil entering water, they take oil from their beak, from their gland, they rub it through off the feather. You can pour 5 bucket water on the body, they won't get wet. Okay? And omnivorous, so they eat insects, worms, fruits and vegetables. Okay, now you can come that side, we'll meet one beautiful bird.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಚಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
So, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮುಂದೆ please keep it different. Okay, just look at this one. What they will do? Just look. They're shooting water. Do you know why they're shooting water? To catch the prey. That's why they're called spitting fish or also. Some insects, they're sitting on the leaves and branches. What they do to the fishes, they shoot water from the mouth. ಆ ಎಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹುಳ ಕೂತಿದ್ರೆ
days they won't eat anything. Other 16th day they become adult. Again they lay egg, larva, pupa, again adult. All insect life cycle will be like this only. Okay. It's today's diet for them. Potato. Yesterday we fed carrot. Tomorrow we have to feed bees. Like us, these guys also they have proper diet. Real chill only, but there is no baby inside. It's an infertile day. What about this one? Then done. This time also two close. Goose. Goose. This one? Chicken. There is no bird called as chicken. Hen. This one? Pigeon. Quail. Quail. This is also real shell, but already baby came outside. Snake. Or a reptile. Because majority of the snakes, like reptiles and all, they lay soft shell egg. Because they won't give any incubation. You just dig the mud, they lay. Not all reptiles, majority of the reptiles, they lay soft shell egg. Now, you all can. The tail, not from the tail. And after the tail, they have needle-like thing in between the tail. It's called as heart. Whenever they want to hunt, or whenever they want to eat other fishes or small animals, they use it their bark, they sting and inject venom. These are called as freshwater stingray. They are mild venomous. They can't harmful for humans.
They're basically from West Africa. This is a completely non-venomous snake. Not only that, this is also affects the reason we're in. So if you see snakes outside, you shouldn't be doing this. Picking them out. Because in snakes there are both venomous and non-venomous. So anytime you do see them somewhere outside, make sure you're at least 6 feet away from it. Right? So as I said, this is a ball python. So just get him a little closer, just touch him from the bottom side. Okay, just avoid touching the top or putting your hand anywhere else. Just touch the bottom.
ಗಂಡು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮೇಲ್ or female? Male. Always female. Male never later. But male was take care of the baby. ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಕೋದು.
Left python, no, touching top, bottom. How everybody is touching it. Python, white lip python.
not using any hand sanitizer. No food items allowed in this. And after that we are moving to the rabbit section. The last section will be the birds for you, and you have to come back again. Start the section. Like one only section will be done. Because again you guys are waiting, it will take around 20 minutes. Isha, the brown pony, white pony name is Gabbar. So Isha and Gabbar was the first animal which we rescued, and after that this case got started in the year of 2017. Okay, talking about Maya, she is a rejected horse from a race course. So why she got rejected? Obviously, she is having a little hoof. Hoof means the nail kind of part, the slide is shorter than the other thing. So she can't take longer run. If these kind of deformed horses would be there, what they will do? They just shoot it down. Maya is a young over here. She's around 11 years, but she weighs around 600 kgs. The body weight is around 600 kgs, and she can easily keep 10% of the body weight, which means 60 kg food per day. So, talking about her speed, she can run up to around more than 60 kilometers per hour. Okay, and you can see the horses and ponies, they have side eyes, which means they can't able to see exactly first and exactly. So you get a chance to see. Come.
나는 가고 싶어. 나는 뺀일라.
They are not turtle and tortoise. Turtle are completely water species. They can't survive on the land. Whereas a tortoise, they can survive on land only. They can't survive in the water. But these guys, they can survive on land and water both. Okay. So they are not amphibians. They are a family of reptiles only. You can see the shell part, right? So what do you think? If somebody is touching, they can feel? Yes, they can feel because they have a nerve ending all over the body. Okay, if you are touching our nail, we can feel, right? Similarly, if you are touching the shell, they can feel. What do you think? How many teeth do you think they have?
0.
Zero. Yes, they don't have any teeth, but they do have a very good biting power. So they will hold your hand finger. They won't let you go very easily. I'll be coming here.
They are from Africa. And in another one is Indian native goat. You can see the black color. That is the Indian native goat. We can go inside, but please don't lift them. Avoid touching of face, horn. Okay? You can touch a back, like side part. That